Quick video looking at the Rythflo Lavalier mic. So if you're looking for a wireless mic to get better audio from your phone, we're going to connect this. We're going to use the iPhone, which this, I know you can also use it with Android. So let's take a look at it here. Okay, so what we have here is a camera receiver. So we're using with the camera, and these are the two mics themselves. So they're magnetically connected. Okay, they have a clip. That's a clip, and then this one. Okay, so you got two that you can use. As a power button right here. And then this is, I believe, is for the pairing of the mics. So we're gonna connect it and see, have a look. This is the receiver, so this will go into the iPhone, or if you have an Android, which typically is USB-C, or if you have an iPhone that's USB-C, you can connect it to here. So, all right, let's get to it. Let's listen to an example of the audio without the mic, and then we're going to listen to an example with the mic. All right, let's get to it. Okay, this is the receiver connected to the iPhone. Okay, so I'm about to do an audio recording to test out the sound with the wireless Rythflo mic. And this is what it looks like. So you can see that it's paired and it's ready to go. No drivers are needed, no other things to install. It just connected and it picks it up. And I just want you to see that the TX1 is this one, which is connected here, and it's ready. It's blue, and it's blue. It means it's ready to go. And I'm gonna hit record on that. And then the next part you're gonna see is the actual audio sound from the mic. Okay, so before we connect the Rythflo Wireless Lavalier mic, we're gonna listen to the audio. This is audio check. I'm just speaking normally. I'm pretty close to the iPhone. These are the mics picking up my audio. 1, 2, 3, audio check, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna step back. Audio check, 1, 2, 3. I'm about 5 feet away from the camera. Just the mics on the iPhone, and we're gonna get closer. Audio check, 1, 2, 3. All right, now let's connect the Lavalier mic by Rythflo and listen to that, see what that sounds like. Okay, we are now using the Rythflo Lavalier mic. It is connected to the iPhone. Audio check, 1, 2, 3. I'm standing very close to the camera for comparison, and there's the mic right there. Audio check, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna step back. Audio check, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna step back right where I was before. This is about 5 feet away. Audio check, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna run back. Audio check, 1, 2, 3. But another thing that it comes with that's very helpful is this wind protection, wind muff. So let's put it on the actual mic itself, and let's listen to what that sounds like. Okay, audio check. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, standing close. Audio check, 1, 2, talking a little louder, stepping back. Audio check, 1, 2, 3. Audio check, 1, 2, 3. I'm standing about 5 feet away. Audio check, 1, 2, 3. And let's move back. Okay, so there you go. That is the Rythflo mic connected directly to the iPhone. No drivers needed. And yeah, thank you for checking out the audio examples. I'll see you in the next one.